Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to delete watch history in TikTok. So let's take a look how to do that. Maybe somehow or some cases you're looking for how to find out TikTok watch history and you want to delete watch history in your TikTok. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to open your TikTok application. After that, you need to click here down this profile icon. After jump over your profile section in the upper side right, you will see there will be three line. Simply click this three line and then you will see skin appear just like this. You need to click here settings and privacy. After click over settings and privacy, you will see skin appear just like this. You will see in this content and display section, you will find here something say comment and watch history. Simply click over this comment and watch history and you will see skin appear just like this. You need to click here watch history. After click over watch history, you will see all the previous video you have been watched in your TikTok account. All those going to be appear, but here it's going to be appear by default 180 days. So now if you decide to delete any watch history video, you can simply click over this select section and you can simply select particular video if you want to delete. So after select them, you can click here delete and then you will see a pop-up appear delete selected watch history. So we're going to click here delete and those videos going to be deleted from my watch history. But now you might be looking for how to delete all your watch history video. So for that, in this same section you have to click this select and then you will find under there something say select all watch history. So if you click here select all watch history and then if I click here delete and then it's going to give you option delete all watch history from past 180 days. So if I click here delete, all those videos going to be deleted from my watch history in TikTok. So within this simple way you can easily delete watch history on TikTok. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.